In the body, we've got three kinds: skeletal, cardiac, smooth, intertwined. Skeletal striated moves with our will. Cardiac pumps blood, keeps our hearts still. Muscle fibers, strong and long, contracting together, they sing their song. Actin and myosin, working in sync, powering our movements faster than you think. Actin's thick, myosin's thick, sliding past each other, that's the trick. Cross bridges form, ATP's the key. Energy flowing, setting us free. Muscle fibers, strong and long, contracting together, they sing their song. Actin and myosin, working in sync, powering our movements faster than you think. Pathways fuel the fight, glucose and oxygen burning so bright. Anaerobic kicks in when the pace gets fast. Lactic acid builds up but will last. In the heart, it's a rhythmic dance. Pacemaker cells give each beat a chance. Intercalated discs keep them in line. Together they beat a perfect design. Muscle fibers, strong and long, contracting together, they sing their song. Actin and myosin, working in sync, powering our movements faster than you think. So here's to the muscles that help us move right, with biochemistry fueling our might. From lifting and running to a heartbeat so true, the muscular system, it's all thanks to you.